Turnaround time is still long. It's probably somewhere around 72 hours, depending on the vendor for the testing site. But it's hanging in there. Next week here with Atrium Health, Wake Forest Baptist, we will be setting up sites with the assistance of the state. The timing of it's going to depend a little bit on the snowstorm and the after effects of it, but the hours will be pretty open, 9 to 6 on weekdays, a little bit more limited on weekend. On Saturday, I think Sunday they'll be closed. So look for that to come out open next week. Where will those be? It looks like they'll be in Wilkesboro. Preliminary, I think they'll be at the airport there, here in Winston, Bowman Gray Stadium, and in High Point, maybe Providence Place, but stand by for the final word on that, and keep your fingers crossed that the snowstorm won't slow down that. People who are symptomatic and asymptomatic are eligible for testing, and they're testing down to the age of 2, and it'll be PCR testing, and the turnaround is supposed to be 72 hours or less. So if it's less, then that'll be some help for those people who are international traveling, who are having a devil of a time right now finding that test that they need to do international travel, usually within 48 to 72 hours. A little bit about what is it safe to do right now? Well, you know, I'm kind of the mindset right now, if you don't really have to do it, put it off till February. If you are thinking about going out to dinner, put it off to February. Sorry, restaurant owners, but it's probably a good time to do that. Obviously, when you're eating, the masks come down. Boy, if you're a guy, combine it with Valentine's Day. You get two attaboys for that. If you're thinking about church services, maybe be virtual for a couple, 3 weeks, so on and so forth. This weekend, that'll be easy because it'll be real snowy anyway. But after that, I think. So once we get through the end of the month, I think we can start loosening up some. I'll tell you when that's okay. If you have to do it, go ahead and do it. And that's okay. If you need to go to work, go to work. If you need to get groceries, so on and so forth. So it's not really a lockdown. It's just kind of being prudent about what you're doing right now. What about fitness centers? Well, fitness centers, there's a lot of unmasked people in fitness centers, a lot of unmasked people breathing heavily because they're doing fitness. I think it probably is worth postponing getting your fitness center membership back up. So take that New Year's resolution and put it off a month. You have permission from me to do so. Otherwise, work out at home, work out outside, take a walk, go skiing, get your fitness in a place other than a fitness center. It's okay if you can wear a mask, particularly a high-grade mask like a surgical mask, or even an N95 in a fitness center, then it's probably okay.